Hoyonn Chemical Nanotechnology Industry Company Limited is a technology-based manufacturing enterprise specializing in functional fillers and additives. Our team includes chemical experts, coating application engineers, automation technicians, and many more. With in-depth cooperation with well-known universities such as Wuhan University of Technology, Hoyonn is committed to product innovation, research and development, manufacturing, and providing technical solutions and formulation optimization solutions. Besides 2 production bases and 1 mine, Hoyonn Group has 3 major business units, which are Barium Sulphate, functional filling materials, and powder coating functional materials. Barium Sulphate Business Unit specializes in manufacturing multiple types of industrial-grade barium sulphate with an annual production capacity of 100,000 tons. The complete range of products is widely used in various coatings and plastic fillers. Functional Filling Materials Business Unit engages in powder modification using transparent powder, spherical silica powder, and wollastonite fiber as the matrix. The powder materials are applied to the functional filling of paints, adhesives, plastics, ceramics, etc. Powder Coating Functional Materials Business Unit focuses on the R&D and production of matting agents and functional fillers for powder coatings. The newly developed low-temperature matting agents and HAA matting agent are well received by a number of recognized enterprises in the industry.
After 20+ years, Hoyonn Group's sales network expanded to 40+ countries, serving 1,000+ customers globally, driven by sedimentation and development. We'll keep dedicating ourselves to exploring and innovating products and technology, creating more value for customers with our professionalism and sincerity,